from the Chinaman.
I just made that up.
By name, yes, limit cost advancing is also made up. You won't find it on Investopedia. Nope, only in this YouTuber's dream of Bitcoining a phrase. Bad dad jokes aside, I'm Jordan Collier. Welcome to the Storybook Wealth Builder channel, where today I'll be unpacking a strategy I started back in October of 2020 for my ETFs that supercharges dollar cost averaging.
Hold on to your butts.
Well, the beauty of this strategy is that it's both at the same time. Hang in there, I'll explain, and if you stick around long enough, I'll reveal my results of how lump sum investing, dollar cost averaging, and limit cost advancing can be compared to my S&P 500 ETF XSP. As a quick reminder, for some and an introduction for others, dollar cost averaging is a strategy of deploying capital into a particular stock at regular intervals. Maybe once a month or once a quarter. It's really at your discretion. The point is you are continually buying into the same stock or ETF, whether the market is up or down. I was made familiar to this strategy by good old Ben Graham, the grandfather of value investing and Warren Buffett's mentor. From this book, The Intelligent Investor, Graham believed with regular buy-ins, you would capture more of the market when it's down than up.
Keep it steady now, I got something very big.
Okay, now for limit cost advancing. When I bought my first ETF back on October 21st, 2020, I was ready to set a dollar cost averaging schedule of buying more shares every 2 weeks from that date. However, an idea that wasn't read, heard, or seen came to mind about structuring dollar cost averaging in a way to take advantage of dips in the market without thinking too hard about it. Let me give you an example. Say it's January 1st and you're ready to start limit cost advancing. You have decided to set a 1 month timeline for XYZ stock to drop 1% within the month of January. You buy 1 share of XYZ stock at $100 on January 1st and plan to buy 1 more share at $99 if the price of the share gets that low within a month. If it does not hit that $99 in the month of January, you simply buy it again on February 1st and set a new 1% drop limit at whatever the price of XYZ is at the time. If you go the whole year always buying on the 1st of every month and no 1% drop occurs, then you are in essence dollar cost averaging. Let's jump back to January 1st, where you bought XYZ stock at $100 and on January 2nd, XYZ stock hits $99. You would then buy 1 more share at $99 and from that point onward, you set a new 1 month time frame. So from $99 now, you will wait for a 1% drop from this point before you buy in again on February 2nd. If I had lump sum invested all 6 months worth of cash, I have in XSP, my return now on April 21st, 2021 would be 16.2% if I had dollar cost average using the historical data from Yahoo Finance, averaging the low, high, open, and close to get a ballpark price of what I might have paid for that ETF on that day would have netted me a return of 8.9%, give or take 0.1%. Now for limit cost advancing, which worked, and the strategy netted me a return of 10.5%, beating out dollar cost averaging by 1.6%.
A definite improvement, though in your case that's not difficult.
If you enjoyed this video, then please do the cliche thing and super smash all the buttons of the like and subscribe variety. It really is a meaningful thank you for taking the time to make this content. And with that, I'll see you all in the comments.